Alright, so welcome back again. So before I proceed with my coding, I would like to bring in the necessary files. Into its right folders. So my Qur'an, my MP3, then okay, I already have my image there. So now the name of this app, okay, what is the name of this folder? Since I used my app, okay. So just look for where you want to. If you are using TribeEdit, you don't have much problem. Just go to your MP3 folder and then import file. So you import the image you want and proceed. Let me see what I have here. Yes. So now I have this here. I want to copy it. Then when I copy it, I will now go to my folder. Okay. My app. Inside my www, then my mp3. So it is here that I want to paste the so I now have Qur'an 1, then Qur'an 114. Having done this, then let me go back to my JS. Now let me check. So now inside my mp3 I now have Qur'an 1.mp3, then Qur'an 114.mp3. Alright, so with that I have my files in place. What is the next thing that I'll be doing now? So I'll be declaring more variables. So let's timer. So let's leave timer this way. Then we go to the next one. And we declare let autoplay. Let autoplay to be equal to 0. Then let's index number. Let's index number to be also 0. Then another one that I'll be declaring now is the plain Qur'an. So let's declare it somewhere before. Let's plain Qur'an to be, so I will let it to be false. So it is after I passing some functions that will now allow it to play. Okay, so having done this, now I'll be going to create the audio element. Let me try to so now under audio elements I want to for some document creating a variable. So let's Qur'an, let the name of the variable be Qur'an. Let Qur'an equal to document dot select create element. So I want to create audio element now. Dot document dot create element. Okay. element. What kind of element do I want the document to create? So it is audio. This audio. Where is my quotation? Okay. It is audio. So having done this, so now I'll be talking about all chapters. So I'll be declaring them one after the other. Okay, don't let it be too long. Let's meet in just a moment. Bye.